Life. It is beautiful. It moves on. It moves towards a destination where we want to see this. And this is my destination, our destination. We born simple, we live simple, but we learn, we ask, we want to know, we teach each other. Life is not clear like water, but it is fun, and we want to have fun. We take selfies. We laugh. We celebrate, we criticize, we talk, and make more and more fun. We create music, and then listen to it. The whole nation starts its year here with great festivity. We play. And then go crazy. We love. We sing too. We make great friends. We make life more and more beautiful by walking by their side. We stay with them. We cry in their shoulder. We laugh with them. We talk to our family, or more importantly, we make our friends our family.
We not only study, we make a whole new world for us.
This is my world, and now this is yours.
So, welcome to a whole new world of excitement.